Eric Thomason, Blue Nail Enterprises, your home improvement experts, and we're here with our section of Shop Time with Blue Nail. I want to share a little information with you guys about gutters and gutter systems today. Homes that don't have gutters or gutters that don't work can create a condition that we call negative drainage. So if you've ever seen a house without gutters and you see the little trench that the rain can make coming off of the roof, well, once that water starts to flow back towards the foundation, that creates a negative drainage condition. Negative drainage can affect the stability of the soil around your foundation, and if left unattended, this can cost tens of thousands of dollars to correct. Very simple solution that we offer here at Blue Nail are replacement gutters. So these are a seamless gutter. They're actually created and manufactured on site, so they're manufactured specifically for your home. They come in a wide range of colors, but I want to share a few functions with you today. These are your brackets. So these brackets are actually a full bracket that extends from front to back. We like to use these for stability across the gutter system, so we always install with brackets. On the ends, this is an end cap, so anywhere you have an end, they'll cut the gutter flush and they'll utilize this end cap. And then at the seams here where the corners are, these are mitered corners. What you see inside here is actually vulcanized sealant. That seals up the corners. It also seals the end caps. And what you see right here is what we call a downspout tap. So they will tap a hole in the gutter and put this insert, which hangs out the bottom as you see here. What this is for is so when we put the downspout on, it's connected to that fastener. It allows the water to go, instead of eroding away at your negative drainage condition, this actually goes into the downspout, down the wall, and we control that water flow, which is what we really want to do. Check out our page, subscribe, like, comment. We're going to have more of these great videos, educational videos for you. And don't forget, wind or hail, remember Blue Nail.